Hi guys! Can you believe you can completely transform the background or even any part of a photo in just a few simple steps? It almost feels like magic. Let me show you exactly how it's done. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Image Editing. Here you'll find two powerful tools: Change Background and In Paint. Let's start with Change Background. First, upload your photo and click Next. Edimakor will automatically detect the subject and remove the background with impressive accuracy. If you're not completely satisfied with the automatic cutout, you can use the Edit Cutout tool to fine-tune the selection manually for even better results. Let's begin with Auto Mode. Simply click Generate, and the AI will automatically create a brand new background that perfectly matches the lighting, perspective, and overall style of your photo. Just look at the result. The new background blends in so naturally that it looks completely authentic. Next, let's try Image Mode. Edimakor offers a collection of beautiful preset backgrounds. Simply choose one you like and click Generate. Wow! The new background blends seamlessly with the original photo. You can also upload your own image as a reference background. After selecting your preferred image, click Generate again. The final result looks incredibly realistic, as if the photo had been taken there from the very beginning. Besides using preset or reference backgrounds, you can also create completely customized scenes with a simple text prompt. For example, I'll enter a prompt asking the AI to place the subject among dreamy pink clouds. Then click Generate. Take a look at the result. Isn't that amazing? With just a few words, the AI creates a unique and imaginative background while keeping the subject perfectly integrated into the scene. Now let's try the In Paint tool. Import the reference image you want the AI to use. In the prompt box, describe the edit you'd like to make. For example, replace the perfume with lipstick. Finally, click Generate. Let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, the lipstick blends seamlessly into the original background, making the edit look completely natural. That's how easy Edimakor's AI image editing can make photo editing. Download Edimakor today and give it a try yourself. From now on, changing backgrounds and editing photos has never been faster, easier, or more creative.